A lot of emotions flow. A lot of emotions flow for those who, especially, do not have mothers. Huh? And for those who have mothers, what should I say? We're supposed to cherish our mothers. Okay, we are supposed to look after our mothers, and having mothers should be the biggest joy of our lives. Unfortunately, today we are here to celebrate this very special day with these very special mothers that we have. There are many families out there who are devoid of mother's love, whose mothers have passed away, and they are longing to have these motherly figures in their lives. Unfortunately, for these mothers here, I really, really sympathize with you that for whatever reasons you are not in your homes, for whatever reasons your families are not able to be with you here today, whether it's by choice or whether it's circumstances that have pushed you out of your homes. I would just like to say that we are here this morning to share our joys with you. Okay? You are very special people for us, for my ministry, and I think there are many others in the nation who would wish to be here with you today, even if your families are not here. So please do not feel lonely. I have been assured that you are well looked after, and occasions such as this really bring you close to us. Since taking up office, I have met so many of you on many occasions, and I feel that you are part of my family. Not only my minister's family, you are part of my family as well. And this morning when I woke up, I was wished by my children, and they were asking me, "Mom, why are you crying?" So one of the reasons was I was thinking about you. You know, I was so looking forward to seeing you. 2 days ago I visited my mother, and she said, "Well, are you not coming home on Sunday?" And then I said, "Look, I said, I have so many other mothers to look after, Mom. So I'm not with my mom today, but I'm here with you. That shows that you do have children. Eh? All of us around here, you can see us as your children, and we will care for you, and we will love you as your children are supposed to be loving you." Okay? So with these words, once again, a humble plea to the families out there. Please, these mothers need your love, they need your affection, and of course they need homes to stay in. So if you're still out there, there's still time. Please take your mothers back home. These are very special people. And all our cultures, all our religions teach us that we need to value our mothers. Because there's one thing that we have to remember. Once they are gone, no matter how much we cry, no matter how much we pray, no matter how much we long for mothers, they will never come back. Eh? They will never come back. And the same applies to the fathers here. You know, same applies to all our families in the homes. If you are out there, please come forward, do the right thing, accept your families back into your homes, and God's blessings will be on you. So with these words, thank you very much. And happy Mother's Day to all the moms here. So on behalf of the Fijian government, on behalf of our Prime Minister, I bring our greetings to you all and wish each one of you a very, very happy Mother's Day. And if I may note, today's program has been successful in partnership with our stakeholders, Colgate Palmolive, Telecom Fiji Limited, and Tapus, who have come on board generously to provide gift hampers for you mothers here. I hope these small gifts will lighten up your faces and put a smile on you. Okay? The Mother's Day, everybody looks forward for gifts and stuff. So here we are with the kind compliments of Telecom Fiji and Tapus and Colgate Palmolive to put a smile on your face. So with these words, thank you very much. Now. Long thôi đi, quay trường thôi đi được. Đấy, hôm nay hai bên này. Không. कौन हैरान करे तुम्हें? You can sing. You can sing Shrak Joy.
नहीं
कौन ना जानता?
नहीं गाओ
अरे गाओ यार.
जाने
अरे तुम जाने. जाने. हेलो. Baby blue. What is it? Baby blue कौन जाना है? My cake finish.
Thanks very much.
चल भाई तुम गाना नहीं गाया अभी. जल्दी गाना गा. गा गाना गा रहे. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. और Happy Mother's Day.
लूला मेरी
Lula Mary.
लूला लूला
Lulu. Oh. Right. Pin काटो उधर. Right? Yeah. इधर खा लेना. क्या? क्या?
So let us sing together. Bind us together, Lord, bind us together. 2, 3. Bind us together, Lord, bind us together. Those that cannot.
Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you for the beautiful flowers. At this point, if I can also acknowledge my LMPs and Assistant Minister for Health and our newly appointed MP, Mrs. Kumar. I think this would be her first official engagement. And I thought it better if I invite the ladies to be here with us. Thank you for the title given to me. I hope I'm the mother of the young ones alone. Today?
It's your turn to be the mother of
Oh, okay, thank you. It's Mother's Day, and since morning we have been visiting homes, and we thought to celebrate Mother's Day with the children here, while we question the responsibility of children towards their parents. It's also time for us to question the roles of parents as well. And the number of children here is an indication of a lack of parental responsibility as well. While the ministry will do whatever is in our powers to ensure that our children are well looked after, it is also our role to question those parents who do not take care of the children. Okay? And it is also important that these children be made part of our community and be given all the love and respect and the care that they truly deserve. So, children, I'm happy to be here with you. Okay? And you can also count me as your mom. I'm sure my daughter sitting there would be pretty jealous. Very jealous. But anyways, we can share. I think all mothers present here can share our love with these children so they do not miss out on their parents. And if I may say, you all are very, very beautiful children and you look very happy. For that, I must thank the Dilkusha home management for such a beautiful facility that you have here. And I'm sorry I'm late in coming. I should have come a bit earlier. But as you're aware, we have a lot of responsibilities around. But while carrying out those responsibilities, we will not forget you. And we will make sure that these visits are more frequent in future. A very simple message to all the children. Okay, I'm sure from what I saw here, your scriptures and the programs that are here in place of you. you will be good children. You listen to your matron here, you listen to the elders here. And if you are going to school, you all should be in school and study hard. Okay? And if you do miss your parents, give us a call. We'll come back here. And then we can sit and talanwa all you like. But all in all, like you said, I'm the mother of you. So on behalf of me, I'll just say Happy Children's Day. Okay? Mother's Day, as I believe, should not be just confined to one day alone. Okay? And neither should we celebrate having children in our lives on a daily basis. Children need to be celebrated, and you are probably the chosen ones, I mentioned. You are the chosen ones. You're very special to us. Okay? And on this note, if I may say, today's function has been possible with the kind gesture of support from Telecom Fiji, Colgate Palmolive, and Tapus, who have come on board to help us celebrate with you. And I know you're very hungry. Are you? I'm hungry also. I'm very hungry also. But before that, if I can thank Telecom once again for the beautiful entertainment item that the group will be presenting with the kind courtesy of Telecom Fiji. So you want to see some dance? Yeah! But there's one condition. You will have to dance too. Yeah? What's that? You will? Yes. Okay. So thank you. Thank you for having us here once again.
Okay. Okay, go.
Cheers. Bash. Acha. Bash. Let me cut it.
Finish
I'll give it to my motive friend. Wait. Let me take it out. Let me take it out. I know what happens when there's a cake, eh, children? Here. Where's my motive friend? Here.
Yeah, come.
Have it, Baba. Come. See, this one. Kana. No. Here, Baba.
Oh, right on the cream.
Right on the cream.
Give her Mary.
Mary, all the motive. Oh, here. One more. You want to? Take the cream. Acha.
They put here.
We'll cut it and give it to you, right? Here. Careful. Acha, bas. Set. Come here. I want to go to jail. Cheers, everybody.